Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Shark Robot Vacuum Error 9. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Shark Robot Vacuum here and getting at Error 9, well, there are going to be a few things I could try. First, let's go and discuss why this error is appearing or what causes this error. So error 9 on your Shark Robot Vacuum means that the dustbin needs to be reinstalled. Now usually because it's full or there are some dirt left on it, so you need to clean it. So in this case, first things first is you want to turn off your vacuum. So you want to press the power button to switch it off. So just basically cut off the power from it. Next is you want to remove the dustbin. So you want to press the dustbin removal button and slide it out. Now, from then on, you want to empty the dustbin. Now, hold it over a trash can and press the button with the trash icon and let the debris fall off. Now, tap it lightly to remove any remaining dirt. And from then on, just clean your dustbin. Now, rinse it with water only, no soap or other chemicals, and let it air dry completely. Now, once dry, you want to place it back into the robot and turn the vacuum back on. Now, power it on and check if the error is now resolved. And that's about it. Now, if the error persists, you may need to contact Shark support for further assistance because this may be a deeper problem than we expected here. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.